Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Today we are going to explore the important topics of recruitment and selection. Two key steps businesses use to find the right workers. When a business needs new employees, the first step is attracting applicants. One common way is through job advertisements, which could be posted online, in newspapers, or on notice boards. These ads usually state what the job is, what skills are needed, and how to apply. For example, if a local cafe needs a new chef, they might post an ad saying they want someone who can make great sandwiches and has previous cooking experience. The next step is the application process. Applicants usually send in a letter of application or complete an application form. These documents explain why they think they are suitable for the job. After reviewing these, the business may invite some candidates for interviews or additional tests. This helps employers see if the applicants has the right skills and attitude. Once the right person is selected, a formal employment contract is made. This contract specifies what the job involves, working hours, pay, and other important details. For example, if a retail store hires a cashier, the contract will say how many hours they will work each week and the salary they will receive. It's important that this process is fair and legal. Laws protect workers from unfair treatment based on the race, gender, disability, or religion. For example, a business cannot refuse to hire someone because they have a disability. Fair recruitment helps the business find the best talent and create a positive working environment. In summary, there are 8 steps. Number 1, vacancy arises. Number 2, job analysis. Number 3, job description. Number 4, job specification. Number 5, job advertised in appropriate media. Number 6, application forms and shortlisting. Number 7, interviews and selection. And finally, number 8, the vacancy filled.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.